Hi, my name is Kevin Moore, and welcome to my online retailing course. I was part of the team that went on the journey of building Hobby Warehouse into one of the preeminent online toy retailers in the country. On the successful growth of Hobby Warehouse, we were able to win the rights to the digital assets for Toys R Us in Australia and New Zealand to rebirth the business digitally. A very successful physical retailer, 70 years old, being rebirthed in a purely digital format. The learnings through this course are all about the shopper experience. A very bright man, a doctor of philosophy who studied engineering, AI, and machine learning, was able to build a very, very solid algorithms-based online business. And my background in physical retail, emotions, creating great shopper experiences, combined to create that amazing online site. That's the learnings we've taken to Toys R Us. In this course, we're going to focus solely on creating great shopper experience. We'll touch a little bit on technology, we'll touch a little bit on systems, but the backbone of this is about shopper experience. This is about creating a shopper experience where shoppers love what you do. They stay at your store online, they come to your store online, they spend more time there, they spend more money there, they stay longer, they come back and they bring their friends back. That's what shopper experience drives, all the emotional attributes that make a shopper want to come to you. It's about finding a way for you to create amazing emotional connections with shoppers, to bring them to your site the first time and to keep them coming back, and to get them to tell other people in their communities in a digital environment why they shop with you and why they recommend you. Done well, you will have a successful, long-term growing online business. That migration of really good physical retailing attributes, really good feelings we have in traditional retail stores, and translating those into the online world is what makes the difference. The course is built on translating and transitioning thousands of years of really good physical retail into the online world. It can be done.